Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back again with another short bob wig review. Okay, now this is from the same company that I recently did another bob wig. This very similar, except this one has a tad bit of color in it. I believe the store name is called Bly Swanner. It's right here, but make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. But they sent me another wig to review for them. Okay, so we're gonna get into some details about this wig. I'm gonna let y'all know a couple of things that's kind of similar to the last wig, but definitely kind of not, you know, fixable right now, and it's not, you know, it's just not working for me with this wig. So if you're interested in hearing about all the details, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has two combs, which is right here. Then it has an adjustable strap, and the cap is breathable. So as y'all can see, this is a short bob wig with bangs. Y'all know I love me some bangs. We're gonna get into the flippage going on, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit more detail. So this is their 14-inch bob wig with bangs with brown highlights. You guys can kind of see the highlights in there. This retails for $18.99 on Amazon. Not much to it. It is a on-the-go wig, pull on, pull off, you know, and it's affordable, of course. Now it is synthetic, if I didn't say it, and actually when I put the wig on and was, you know, touching it, I had to look at the product link again because I was like, is this synthetic or no? It doesn't feel synthetic at all. It is super duper soft, like super soft. Oh my gosh, it is so soft, and it doesn't even look synthetic at all. Now, I do like how a couple of the brown highlights are in the bangs, because if you look at the picture that they have on Amazon, the main picture, it didn't really look like it had brown highlights in the bangs, but that's kind of cute. But as y'all can see, the brown highlights definitely cute. So yeah, I really didn't adjust the strap like I needed to. So it's just on my head with the two combs, but it's fitting pretty good. Now, I did flat iron it a little bit, as y'all saw, because I had the same problem that I had in the other wig, except this one I definitely have more of an issue. I kind of went through it and, you know, tried to flatten it a little bit so it can stop with the flipping thing. It's not bad on this side, but over here it's definitely, as y'all can see, definitely flipping up. But the wig is cute. It's definitely a cutie. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So this is how it looks in the front, side, back, other side. So yeah, she's cute. Y'all know how I feel about Bob, so this is definitely a cutie pie. Not too sure if I'm gonna keep her, but she is definitely cute. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color and all that. Okay, and I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me again and asking me to review this wig. Really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.